This is NDTV. And you're watching Metro Nation Delhi.
Everyone, welcome to Workout Victim. This is the show where we give you an alternative fitness option every single day. I'm here in Noida today at Gold's Gym, and we're going to be doing a little bit of lightweight lifting, but with a slight difference. More about that in a bit. First, I'm going to introduce you to my workout victim.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Everyone, this is Sneha. Sneha is our workout victim for the day. Yeah. Sneha, tell us, what do you do?
Well, at Gold Gym, I'm a fitness consultant, basically interacting with the members, enrolling in new members, telling them about the gym and the various exercise options.
Okay.
But personally, I'm more fond of gymming and lifting weights.
You are, huh?
Yeah.
So you, of course, tell everybody that you meet that they should work out.
Yes,
do you work out a lot?
Yeah, 5 days a week I do try working out.
That's good.
Try my level best rather, but because of the hectic schedule and the work hours, I don't get time. But 1 hour in a day, I do take it out.
You do take it out and you do work out.
Yes, it's very important now.
What is your personal fitness philosophy?
For me, any kind of workout is important. Personally, like any person should now work out, whether it's yoga, aerobics or gymming.
Yeah.
But I like to do weights. So initially I started with the cardio, and then I don't do much of cardio because the trainers are like, you don't need to do it.
Oh,
and then I get down doing weights, which I really enjoy. And I believe like today in the show we're doing something different.
Yeah,
and I would
we're
like
going
to
to be
try
doing, I'll tell you a little bit about what we're doing. We're going to be doing some light weights for women, but we're going to be doing it slightly in a different sort of a way using a gym ball.
Oh, that's amazing. I've never tried it on that.
Yeah, so basically you're going to do weights and try and balance the gym ball on your nose.
Oh, okay. That's interesting.
Yeah, of course not. You can catch us and see what we're actually going to be up to. Sneha actually said something very interesting to me a couple of minutes ago. She said that gymming is like, if what was that thing that you said?
Basically I feel that, gymming, aerobics and yoga are like the 3 types of medicines that we take.
For your body.
Yes, gym would be like an antibiotic. You get the result immediately. Aerobics would be like an allopathy. You do get the results, but it takes a little more time. And yoga is like homeopathy. It's perfect, it's slow, but it has long-lasting effects.
I thought that was really cool. Very, very cool. I'm going to quote this in the show, like a lot. Okay, so we're going to throw into the class now. And why don't you guys join us and see how we get along, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we have to start with a warm-up.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, come along. Our warm-up, and now we're actually into the exercises. We have got one of these gym balls each and dumbbells in our hands, and we are doing
after this,
shoulder presses
arm curl.
And now arm curls.
1.
Surjit is our instructor for the day here at
Right.
Gold Gym in Noida, and there's Sneha, our workout victim,
2.
who got her workout after all.
Finally.
Finally.
This is bicep exercise. 2 more. Arm curl. Last one. After this, side shoulder raise. 1. Good. Elbow up. Elbow your shoulder level. 3 more.
Sneha, do you do a lot of weights in your workout? Yeah.
I do. I've just started with.
Okay.
2
and
more.
I really enjoy them.
This is
You
exercise
enjoy
for
them. I think
your
everyone should do weights.
deltoid. Front press like this. Knee soft. So elbow soft.
But the whole
And come
idea
back.
behind trying to do weights while
Again.
sitting on top of a gym ball is that the minute you sit on a gym ball,
Last one.
you're activating all your core muscles, and this is probably the best
Tricep
posture that you can
extension.
get into, because this
One
is
arm
the kind of
tricep
posture
extension.
that your body
Tricep.
naturally fits into
This is exercise for
and tries
tricep.
and maintain throughout. So your core is
Again
constantly
for-
activating,
come on.
and you're doing weights at the same time. So it's fantastic. I mean, a lot of times while doing weights,
4.
people complain about lower back injuries and
Last
stuff
one.
because of bad posture.
Change.
Well, here,
1.
this is the best possible posture for your body.
Elbow your close your face. Again 4. 3. 2 more. Last one. And change. Start concentrate curl. 1 arm. Like this. Slowly up and slow down. This is exercise for your biceps peak develop. 5 rep. Again 2. 1. Last one. change your arms. 1, 2. It's good exercise for your biceps peak. 3 more. 2. Last one. Good. And both arms dumbbell.
Well, I always say that it's really good for women to be doing weights. Very important. You do need to tone up your muscles and have a certain amount of strength in your limbs for sure. I mean, losing weight and all is good, but this is important stuff. Anyway.
Again 3.
We're still at it. As you can see, we've moved to bench presses and chest presses, and it's getting tougher and tougher as we go along.
Chest exercise for
But I have a feeling, a very good feeling, that these are our last 2 exercises.
Change out. After this, chest fly. Start. 5 repetition.
And I was wrong. We have some more to go. Sneha, how are we doing workout?
Oh, pretty good.
3.
Already exhausted.
It's good exercise for your chest. 4. Again 2.
Last one.
1. Last more. It's good. Change.
Okay, thank you so much, Sujit. Wow, what a workout. Yes, very much. Is there a cool down also now that you can do desperately?
Rotate your shoulder like this.
I can really feel the stiffness over here.
Oh yeah.
How was your experience of the workout?
It was good. It was really nice. It was something different. Like on the ball, I've hardly worked out, and especially with
Arm
weights,
stage,
it was very different.
like this, your chest stage. Chest up, arms
So,
back.
Sneha, you're somebody who does quite a lot of
and
weights,
chin.
right?
Yes.
But
Front,
was it different for you
leg
working
down.
Yes, because on the ball you were supposed to balance your body also,
Shoulder
plus
stage like
do the
this.
weights. So it was a little different, and it was
Change
much
your arms.
better than what I.
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
good.
You know what I found was
Stretch
that
your
since I was
triceps.
constantly sitting on the ball, I was trying to balance myself at the same
Change.
time. So you know, sometimes when you're working out, your mind starts drifting into other things.
Yeah.
That never
Stretch
happened to me
your
even
forearms.
once because
Like
You were
this.
supposed
I
to
was
just balance.
so focused.
Yeah.
Yeah. सुजीत, आपको क्या लगता है कि you know काफी सारी औरतें यही सोचती हैं कि women should not be lifting weights. So what do you think? You think weightlifting is important for women?
It's very important. You know, this is exercise for your lightweight for women. 15 repetition, 12 repetition minimum weight. Tone up your body and strong your arms.
Yeah. It's a good,
So
it's a good thing actually. I always say
exercise.
this for women. You must
Like
have
this neck
strong limbs, strong arms specifically.
Yes.
Because otherwise your lower back is very, very vulnerable to injury.
And
It's
light
a
weight
good
is
thing to
always
have.
important also. Like light weights is important to do for toning, for stamina building, which usually women don't believe in.
Yeah.
They feel that cardio is enough to
Yeah.
lose weight.
Yeah, trust us, it's not going to buff you up. You do not have testosterone, so it's not going to buff you up. Just do a couple of light weights, it's very, very good for you. Thank you for joining us today. We had a great time. Yeah, it was great fun experimenting with sitting on a gym ball and doing weights and stuff. Sneha, you were a real sport.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you,
Thank you.
Sujit,
Nice
for
to
a
meet you.
wonderful class. If you guys want to try out a class, do come down. This is the Gold's Gym in Noida. You can also write to me at metronation@ntv.com for more details about, well, anything that you guys want to know about fitness, anything that you guys want to know about the classes held here at Gold Gym. Just write in and we'll put you guys in touch. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
This is NDTV. And you're watching Metro Nation Delhi.